In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add baggage in Skyscanner. So, you've decided on your travel destination and picked your dates, but what about your baggage? Let's go through the process step by step to make sure you're well prepared and there are no hiccups during your journey. First things first, you'll want to open the Skyscanner homepage. Here, you'll find the search fields where you enter your departure city and destination, along with your travel dates. Additionally, input any other preferences you might have, such as the number of travelers or a specific cabin class. Once you've filled in these details, go ahead and hit that search button. Now, on to selecting a flight. Skyscanner will provide you with a list of available flights that fit your criteria. This is where you can compare your options based on price, duration, and other factors until you find the perfect flight that aligns with your travel schedule and budget. Take your time to browse through these choices before making your decision. Once you have selected the flight that suits your needs, click on it. This action will redirect you to the airline's or travel agent's website to complete the booking process. Remember, this step is crucial because Skyscanner itself doesn't handle the booking directly. You will be directed to a partner site where you can complete the purchase. With the booking page opened, it's time to pay attention to the baggage options. As you go through the booking process, look for options labeled add-ons, extras, or baggage. You usually find these sections after you've selected your flight details, but before completing your purchase. Here, airlines will present their policies and fees for additional baggage. Keep in mind that the availability and cost for extra baggage can vary widely depending on the airline you've chosen and the fare type you've booked. It's always a good idea to read the fine print so you're not caught by surprise when it comes to fees. Before you proceed to payment, make sure to review your selections thoroughly. Check that your added baggage details are correct and double-check any additional charges that have been applied. This is a good moment to ensure everything, from your travel dates to your baggage requirements, is just as you planned. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the total cost, go ahead and confirm your selections. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily add baggage to your flight booking while using Skyscanner. Remember, planning ahead with your baggage can save you money and stress, ensuring your trip goes as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.